Hi, Julie Chance with Action Strategies by Design. Welcome to Teambuilder Tips Tuesday. If you have heard or read anything about building high-performing teams, you know that trust is the foundation. The bigger question is how. How exactly do we go about developing and building that trust on our teams? The Integro Trust Model gives us 8 behaviors or actions that we can take to build trust. Starts with showing acceptance through respect and recognition. Then being open and demonstrating openness through receptivity, being open to ideas, being open to input from others, and disclosure, sharing information, transparency. The third is congruence, being congruent by being straightforward, walking our talk, right? And being honest. And not just honest in a ethical sort of way, but honest in terms of honestly sharing with people what your concerns are, what your needs are, where their behavior may be great, and also where their behavior may need some improvement or things that they could do differently. And then finally, it's about being reliable and demonstrating reliability by keeping commitments and seeking excellence. And what it comes down to on a bigger picture is communication and consistency. Consistently communicating, consistently walking the talk, consistently seeking excellence, and consistently being open, showing respect and recognition. Stay tuned for our next segment on Team Building Tips Tuesday.